Welcome back to zolaXtech. Keyboard shortcuts can save you tons of time and make you look like a pro. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential keyboard shortcuts that will speed up your workflow, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. Copy and paste. Simply press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. It works across most applications, from Word to your web browser, and is a fundamental shortcut everyone should know. Ever make a mistake? Ctrl+C is your best friend. This shortcut undoes your last action, and it works in most apps. If you accidentally delete something, just press Ctrl+C and it's back. Need a quick screenshot? On Windows, press Windows+Shift+S to capture a portion of your screen. You can select what part you want to save, making it easy to take precise screenshots. If you're looking for something specific in a document or web page, press Ctrl+F. This shortcut opens a search bar, where you can type a word or phrase to find it quickly. It's a huge time saver for long documents. If you're working with multiple browser tabs, Ctrl+Tab lets you cycle through them without using your mouse. This shortcut works in most browsers and is super convenient when you're multitasking. To quickly close a window or program, press Alt+F4. It's a fast way to exit without reaching for the mouse, especially useful when you have multiple applications open. If a program is frozen or you need to see what's running, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Here, you can monitor performance, check which apps are using resources, and close unresponsive programs. If you need to step away from your computer, press Windows+L to lock your screen. It's a great way to secure your computer in shared spaces, keeping your information safe. Windows+E opens File Explorer instantly, letting you access files and folders with one click. It's faster than navigating through the Start menu, especially if you frequently manage files. To select all text or items in a folder, press Ctrl+A. This shortcut is incredibly helpful when you need to copy or move everything at once. And that's it for today's video. With these keyboard shortcuts, you'll be navigating your computer like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to zolaXtech. Thanks for watching.